Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to start learning how we can create flowcharts. So I'm your host Kritika Lalawat. Let's get started. So before move ahead, we should understand what actually a flowchart is. So flowchart, this is something that we represent an algorithm. आपको पहले ही पता है कि एल्गोरिदम क्या होता है. एल्गोरिदम इज स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस. उस एल्गोरिदम को जब हम चार्ट और सिंबल्स के थ्रू शो करते हैं, दैट बिकम्स माय फ्लो चार्ट. So basically flow chart is a diagram used to represent an algorithm, and the different steps in this diagram are represented by different symbols, right? So flow chart mein obviously we're going to draw something, so different symbols also we will be using. Let's move ahead and let's talk about those symbols. So here are the flowchart symbols. As you can see, for start and stop. For both start and stop, we use an oval. You can use oval or you can use a rounded rectangle, any of the shape for start and stop. Then to show the flow in the flowchart, we use arrows. To show inputs and output, we use parallelogram. For the process, we use rectangle. For decision, there is a diamond. And for subroutine, we use a rectangle with two lines. So without these symbols, no flow chart can be completed. ये symbols आपको याद करके बिल्कुल अपने mind में fix कर लेने. So let's start. How we can learn the process. अब मैं आपको एक question display करने वाली हूँ. We'll make the flow chart as per that instruction. Okay. So now we'll start with linear flow chart. So the first type of flow chart is linear flow chart. So now let's follow these instructions. Here is an algorithm of 8 steps. Now let's see how we can work with it. So first of all, I'm just changing the pen color to make you understand better. Okay, so let's get started. Here, first we'll read those steps. Step 1 to start, step 2, user enters the first number, then user enters the plus sign, user enters the second number, user enters the equals to sign. Calculator sums both the numbers, calculator shows result on the screen, and stop. Here is the number of steps that we need to follow. Okay, so first we need to understand this. Here is the start and stop, and for start and stop we always make oval. ये हमें clear है. So this is start. I'm not going to write start here. I'm just writing one to make you understand clearly. जब आप flow chart बनाएंगे, so you have to mention the instruction. If it is written start, so you have to write start inside it. Next, to show the flow, I'm using an arrow. For the second step, user enters the first number. Okay, so this is something that user is giving input. Okay, so user is giving one instruction, one number to the calculator so that the calculator can perform the sum. So this is an input. So for input, we'll be using parallelogram. This is step 2. This step is also done. Now let's come to step 3, that is user enters plus sign. Again, it's an instruction that a user is giving to the calculator. Again, this is an input, so we'll make it a parallelogram. We'll make a parallelogram. Now again, this step is done. Step 4, user enters a second number. अब हमारा फिर से यूजर एक नंबर एंटर कर रहा है, ये भी हमारा इनपुट है, तो इसके लिए भी हम पैरेललोग्राम शो करेंगे, एज यू कैन सी. Next step is to enter equals to. Again, this is also an instruction that a user is entering, giving to the calculator. This is also an input. Fine. Now we'll come to step 6. Understand the step very carefully. Here the calculator sums both number. तो कैलकुलेटर दो नंबर का सम करने वाला है. सो दिस इज समथिंग द कैलकुलेटर परफॉर्म इट्स ओन, राइट. तो वो खुद से काम करने वाला है. ये प्रोसेस है जो इस प्रोसेस को मैं डिनोट करूंगी विद द सिंपल रेक्टेंगल. सो आई विल बी मेकिंग अ रेक्टेंगल. ये मेरा प्रोसेस है एंड दिस इज माय स्टेप नंबर 6. फाइन, दिस इज माय प्रोसेस. ओके. And step 7 shows calculator on the screen. If I'll go with the screen again, this is something that will be displayed. So this is an output. जो भी हमें अपनी screen पे output नजर आता है या display होता है, उसको हम output बोलते हैं. तो ये मेरा output है step 7. That is step number 8. So this is how we make the flowchart. This was a simple algorithm that मैंने जो भी चूज करा है, एक सिंपल एल्गोरिदम था जिसको हमने फ्लो चार्ट में कन्वर्ट करा. और इस फ्लो चार्ट को हम लीनियर फ्लो चार्ट कहते हैं. Why? Because we are following top to bottom approach, and here the flow is very straight and from up to down. Arrows link one step to the next and shows the direction to follow, right? So this is the linear flow chart. I hope you like this video. Please show thumbs up and comment down if you need more videos on this.